around. I'm not sure if we'll go look at it. We'll see. Oh yeah, good decision coming to check that out. That's amazing. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Little walk to get here. Beautiful. Christine Falls. We're at Christine Falls now. This is super cool. It's just a couple places to park. Walk down here. Take a picture. That's it. Huh? Aww, that's so sweet. This is beautiful. Someone just got engaged. Right this second they just walked up, so we're gonna give them their time, and then we're gonna see this blossom. Okay, wow, that's amazing. Dominic is so tired that he was like, do I have to put on shoes? And he's literally just walked down to that waterfall. Well, it's just to look out. But in his socks. Now we're gonna go back to our hotel, regroup, take a break, and then do more later.